What you got there, young man?
A broken hatchet.
What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna put a stick on it and make it useful.
Let me see it. It's one of them old fiberglass handles, ain't it?
Yeah.
And it's broke.
Yeah.
So what do we got to do? We got to get that out first, don't we?
We gotta get the fiberglass out, and then we can put a stick on it, and then we can make it useful.
Yeah.
And we can make it useful to chop down trees like this one.
I don't think you're going to chop a tree that big with that. What else can we do with it? Cut little trees?
Yeah, but
And
it's dulled.
And make kindling?
Yeah, but it's dulled, so we gotta sharpen it first.
Yeah, we got to sharpen it too. So let's go do that.
Okay.
Okay, Paxton. You got to have gloves on. You know why?
Why?
Because this is fiberglass. See that?
Yeah.
That'll get in your hand, and you don't want that in your hand. The next thing we need to do is we need to put it in a vise like that right there.
Mm-hmm.
You know why?
Why?
Because when we drill that and we got a hold of it in our hand, it'll catch and come around and hurt us. So we got to make sure it's good and tight so that it don't come loose. And then what I've got here is a high tensile hardened steel drill bit, because we might hit this metal and the regular
looks gold colored.
Yeah, it's not gold though. Okay,
Looks kind of goldy.
I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, hold your face back just a little bit. Don't get this in your face. Come right here. Come over here where you can see. Look down in there. Can you see?
Yeah.
That's fiberglass. Now what you got to do is we need to get you a mask because of that dust particles. Got your mask on?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Got your gloves on?
Yeah.
All right. Now ready. Can you reach it? You don't want to do it? Well, I thought you wanted to do it.
Whoa! Is that smoke coming out?
That's the, no, it's that fiberglass. It's fiberglass.
Ooh, smoke. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to breathe that. You don't want to breathe that.
I know. Right? You don't want to breathe fiberglass.
No. I'm not done yet.
Now what? Are you still drilling?
I'm not done yet. Somebody's broke the drill bit off in that.
What?
There's a drill bit.
A drill bit?
Yep. See that?
Yeah.
Somebody's already tried to drill it out, Paxton.
What? Somebody's already tried to drill it out? Who is that? You?
No, it wasn't me.
Who had it? Huh?
Look at that.
What happened?
We got that drill bit out somebody left in there. Awesome.
Are you done yet? Papa? Huh? Are you done yet? Huh?
Not yet. It's got a really bad place right here. So I'll have to take the grinder and fix that. Paxton gets me into these little projects. He wants his hatchet fixed. It's just an old cheap hatchet, but he wanted to fix it. It's actually got a hammer head on the other end. So we'll take the grinder, get this out, and then I'll have to remove quite a bit of material there. I'm not going to polish it up. I'm just going to put him a handle in it and make it look a little better. This old antique leg off a table that I used to have. I cut it off. It's solid oak. And I'm going to make a handle for him for his little battle axe out of this table leg.
Papa made me a battle axe. Look, see.